Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. Today I have the China Glaze Wonka collection to show you. This is in collaboration with the new Wonka movie that's coming out. I didn't actually know that another Wonka movie was coming out until very recently, but here we are. There are 6 polishes in this collection. China Glaze did send this collection to me, but these polishes I acquired separately from China Glaze. Did send this enormous briefcase with all of the polishes. There's duos, there's minis, there's a broken finger. So I'm going to be giving a lot of this away, so stay tuned to, well, I'll just do it in this video. I'm probably on Instagram. So I'll be giving away the minis. We've got a duo here. We've got another duo here with the pink and the gold. And then we have the 6 polishes. I'm gonna keep one set of the nail stickers for my daughter. This is oh gosh, a note. This is the coolest PR box I've ever gotten. The paper also smells like chocolate, which, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, if they had thrown some chocolate in here, I would have been stoked, but it's fine, I've got lots of chocolate. So there will be 4 giveaways with the China Glaze, collection duos. Each of the duos comes with nail stickers, and then the 6-piece minis. So cute. So I will have all of the giveaway information listed in the description box. You of course need to be subscribed to my channel and need to have a US mailing address, and you need to be 18. Those are the main things, and then anything else will be listed. But let's get to the swatches. First, we have a polish called For the Dreamers, and this is a rich and glittery burgundy inspired by Wonka's velvet coat. This is beautiful. I love a burgundy glitter, and China Glaze does really good jelly glitters. I feel like they haven't done one of those in a while, and they do really good jelly glitters. This is a really beautiful burgundy glitter jelly. The formula is great, and it covers in 2 coats, and it's very sparkly. That's 2 coats of For the Dreamers. The next polish is called Noodle, and this is a bright teal shimmer. I don't really understand the name. I assume that has something to do with the movie, but it just says, when dreams go dark, this mood-brightening teal shimmer will inspire you to never lose your spark. I don't know what noodle means, but this is beautiful. This reminds me so much of one of the very first China Glaze polishes that I ever purchased, which was called Custom Kicks. The formula is really easy to work with. It's a shimmer, so there's no glitter or chunks, ew. So there's no glitter or chunky things to remove that will make this difficult to remove. And this is beautiful. I also feel like I haven't seen a teal from China Glaze, like a teal shimmer, in a long time. And it just feels right. I don't know. Am I wrong? It just feels right. This is 2 coats of Noodle. The next polish is called Pure Imagination, and the description around this says, enter a world of imagination with this magical purple shimmer that shifts to a golden hue. Because my nails are so stained right now, I did not even try to build this up on its own, because that was not going to be cute. My nails are basically orange from wearing olive green nail polish for a full month, not that long ago. You can clearly see where the growing out is happening. So I layered this over 2 of the polishes in the collection. You're gonna need 3 coats of this if you want to wear it on its own, but I just knew that even in 3 coats you're still gonna be able to see my nail line and how orange my nails are, and that was not gonna be cute. So I put 2 coats of this over Secret Recipe, which is the next polish that I'm going to talk about, and then also Totally Taffy. I actually liked it better over Secret Recipe, over the brown, than I did the pink, and I did not think that I would enjoy that. But I think that this might actually look really good over For the Dreamers too, and probably Noodle. The base is sheer enough that you can put 1 coat of this over those darker colors, but it will definitely add some imagination to the base color. So this is 2 coats of Pure Imagination over Secret Recipe and Totally Taffy. Next we have Secret Recipe. This is a rich milk chocolate cream, so decadent and divine. Everyone will be chasing after you for the recipe. And that is accurate. This is a beautiful milk chocolate cream, great 2-coat formula. I love a brown nail polish. I say this all of the time, but I love a brown nail polish. And this is beautiful milk chocolate, rich brown nail polish. It's beautiful. And it did make me want chocolate. It's 2 coats of Secret Recipe. Next we have Totally Taffy. This says, float away on a cloud of candy in this soft and fluffy pink cream. And this is absolutely bubblegum taffy color. 2-coat formula. The formula was maybe a little bit thicker than I would have preferred. It wasn't difficult to work with, but it was just like ever so slightly a little bit thick. But it's still covered in 2 coats, and I think it looked really nice in 2 coats. It doesn't look thick, you know, but the coverage was good in 2 coats, and that's Totally Taffy. Lastly, we have Wonka. This is a glittering ode to the greatest Wonka story ever told. Glittering gold is what the description is. This is a 2-coat gold shimmer. The shimmer in this is shimmer and not a flaky or a glitter, so there's no texture. It's almost like a foily shimmer. It might leave a little bit of shimmer on your nails when you remove it, but otherwise there's not gonna be any scrubbing involved or anything like that. So 2 coats of Wonka. That is the Wonka collection from China Glaze. What do you guys think of this color story? I do think that I had no idea that we needed another Wonka movie. I thought the one was fine, but you know, maybe we did need a new one. I definitely haven't seen that messed up Johnny Depp looking one. That looks terrifying. So maybe this one won't be as terrifying. So in this video, I'll be giving away the full-size 6-piece collection and one of the duos. So 2 winners, and then I'll do the other 2 over on Instagram. Check the information box for the information. I would love to know your thoughts of this collection. Are you excited about the Wonka movie? I don't know the last movie I saw, but maybe I'll go see it. I doubt it. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate it so much. And also a thumbs up on this video would be incredible. Subscribe so that I can hit my goal of 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We got some work to do, guys. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.